Take a morning world.
I'm hell on here, baby. I'm coming for you.
Can you put it inside? Smell?
One day Joe and I've got
One,
in Hollywood from a
two.
married man wouldn't look to know. I'm serious. I'm hell on him. Sugar daddy on hill. Say what you will. Made me crazy. You made me smart. Break me a million hearts. I'm hell on him. I got a feeling. The temptation. Give me tall, dark, and handsome. Mix it up with some strong. She's got a Tennessee mountain point of view. Toast, hallelujah, the almost saved only means that. Oh. Should have been different, but it wasn't different, was it? It should have fit like a glove, it should have fit like a ring, like a diamond ring, token of a true love. There's your trouble, there's your trouble. See you double with the wrong one, and you can keep on holding on. There's your
Crossing her legs is funny. She looks down and knows that money gonna let her go.
Just got home from Walmart. Went grocery shopping. Figured I would vlog today. It's a beautiful day. It's like 70 degrees out, so the moods are high. The mood is good. I haven't vlogged in forever because we've been so busy, or I've been so busy going all over the place. We went to Florida. We went home, and so I've just been away for like 2 weeks and I'm slacking. But spring is near and I'm so excited. There's birds getting in the shed. So, and Barry? What was that? Okay, anyways, it's springtime and we have so much to get done before we do this add-on. So my parents are coming Easter weekend, which is 2 weeks away. We're gonna tear down the back walls, and you're gonna ruin this shirt. We're gonna tear down the back walls, the log walls, and get ready for the add-on. So I'm so excited. Plus I need to get my garden going because it's almost planting time, and I have done nothing since the last time you guys saw us put up the fence. So, lots to do, Roni. It's really so hard to accomplish anything, though, with a baby, so we'll see what we can do today. I'm gonna make us some lunch, put our groceries away, and I don't know what we'll accomplish. We'll see. Alright, I also really need to unpack my car from our trip. So me and Roan went home this past weekend for my sister-in-law's baby shower. And so I drove alone with Roan for 7 hours. And that was something. I finally pulled the plug and got the iPad out. And it was literally life-changing. It was so nice. And it's so awful how guilty we feel for using an iPad. It's so annoying that I feel like I'm the worst mom ever. For instead of him crying for an hour, he watches a show and then falls asleep. It was so nice, and so I was happy that I brought the iPad. We watched Trash Truck on Netflix. I need to download some off of Amazon Prime. I heard there's some good kid shows on Amazon Prime, but yeah, I just think it's ridiculous how much guilt I felt to have him watch an iPad. Like, there's just almost too much information on the internet. That's why I told Dylan, I was like, I feel like there's too much information. You feel bad for literally any decision you make as a parent. And he's like, well, would you rather like not know at all? And I'm like, guess not. Just gotta be informed and make the decisions that work best for you. But yeah, the iPad was a game changer. So the weather is really warming up. And I'm excited for summer, but like summer is actually my least favorite season because it gets so hot here and it's brutal. It's brutal without AC. there's bugs and there's snakes and there's mosquitoes and there's scorpions. And like right now, this time in March, wasps just like infect our house. Like our house is covered in wasps. So I got some wasp spray at the Walmart. So we got to do that too. We're just having a little meat and cheese spread. On the way home, I stopped at a Kroger near Lexington, and so it was a really nice Kroger because our Kroger doesn't really have, or Walmart, like we don't have like specialty like meats. I just love like, you know, some charcuterie. So I got some uncured pepperoni and stuff, and I've been chowing down. Ring, ring, ring. Hello. Okay, I completely forgot to include our Lovevery toys that Roan got for his birthday. And so I'm going to show you guys a little snippet here of all the cute toys we got from Lovevery that you can purchase at Target. Here you go. Guys, Roan has been one now for a couple days. And he got so many presents from friends and family. And so he hasn't opened our presents yet, which are from Lovevery. So we're going to open those real quick. Right, Roan, you ready for some new gifts? You ready for some new toys? What's that? Yeah. You eating a cracker? He just woke up from a nap, if you can't tell. And what is that? What is that? Is this a little car? Put him in. Put him inside. Wow. Okay, so these are the 4 toys that I picked out for him, but they have so many different ones available at Target now, which is so fun, and it says on the box like which age they're for. So these are like starting at 19 months, but I got them for all different ages, and they're all just so fun, and you can use them so many different ways. Like you can, oh, what's this? You can use these little pig people like this. And then what? You go in there. And then when he like starts imaginary play, all these little pig people are gonna be so fun, and I just can't wait. So I just wanted to let you guys know that Lovevery is now available at Target, which makes it so nice for shopping.
I remember the days, all those years ago that never fade away. And I remember your face when you hit the ground. I can't recall the time and place on the midnight walk.
So in the spring we have like a ladybug, not a ladybug, we have a stink bug and a wasp infestation, and then like in the fall we get a ladybug infestation. And it's because our house is clearly old and has a lot of holes. Windy Roan! Right up in here we've got a wasp nest forming. And then the stink bugs are just everywhere all the time. I don't know if they're attracted to the black house or what, but like the stink bugs, if you mix water and Dawn dish soap, it kills the oil on the stink bug's back, so then they don't stink and they just die. Let's water your plants. Come on, bud. Can you carry it? Here we go. And pour it in. Go like this. Wow. Good job, buddy. You watered the plants. Alright, I spent the last 3 hours doing absolutely nothing because Roan was playing outside, and then he fell asleep in the chair with me, and then I was nap trapped. And so I spent most of my time just looking at dining room tables online, trying to figure out what kind of dining room table I want for outside. So after browsing the web, I love the look of the concrete tables, but you're not going to buy them online. You kind of have to DIY them yourself. And although I know we could do that, it's just not something on the table right now for getting done when we have so many other things going on around the house. So we'll see. I really want to like work with a company to get a dining room table because that makes me money and we get a dining room table, and so that's the goal. But I'm trying to find one that I like, but that's also really comfortable and also can hold large people, because I hate when like my dad comes to town and he doesn't want to sit on a chair because he doesn't want to break it. He's not that massive of a guy, but he's broken a lot of chairs, so you just want it to be like comfortable and last a long time. So I'm trying to find the right table for us. All right, now I'm gonna try to get the house picked up before Dylan gets home. So it looks like I did something today. Not that Dylan would care if I did nothing today, but makes me feel good like I accomplished something. All right, Roan. We're gonna plant some stuff. We're gonna plant some stuff. Jack, come on. Say no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Yeah, no, 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 Jack. You hurt me. All right, we're just gonna have a little fun today. My mom got me this soil blocker, and so we're gonna try that out. None of these really need to be like started ahead of time because they're mostly all flowers. But you know, we'll do some. I mean, they're supposed to be directly sown. All right, let's fill this up with dirt. Let's see. Like this. And push. Did it work? Your turn. Can you push? Push. Oh, good job, buddy. Okay, I got all these seeds from the dollar store, but it turns out they were even cheaper at Walmart. My mom found me this soil blocker, so we're trying it out. Wow. Good job, buddy. You putting it in the dirt? Want to do any more? Wow. Bite. Alright guys, I think that's all for this video. I know it's kind of all over the place. I'm sorry. And I'm sorry it took me so long to get a video going, but camera don't fall. But we will see you next time. Projects start this week, so we are very excited. We will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Say cheese. 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 Cheese.